What are you talking about?
Yuji, would you care to join us for dinner?
What? No, Mom! Quit bothering him!
Oh, yeah? Are you saying my cooking is a bother? Are there any foods you don't like, or anything you're allergic to?
Nope.
You heard that right. Eating those bat things gave me a whole new set of abilities.
Even the eyes are decent.
Hey there, do you need help or something?
I'm starving.
I want to try one. It's so yummy.
Yay! Time for seconds!
What would you have done if this was all part of an elaborate trap? Well, as the leader, I should at least make sure none of it is poisoned.